Hi, my name is Ina and today I have this mechanical keyboard. So does this keyboard offer something that worth buying or is it just another keyboard? Well, let's find out. First things first, let's talk about what's in the box. This 75% layout keyboard is different right off the bat, thanks to its unique gasket mounting. This means the keyboard has a cushioning material between the plate and the housing, providing a smoother, softer typing experience. Essays or executing in-game commands. This keyboard ensures that every keystroke is a satisfying one. But wait, there's more. This isn't just a keyboard, it's a smart keyboard. Equipped with a multifunction pixel display and a rotary knob, the M75 becomes an extension of your digital life. Now, I've seen keyboards with display features before, but this one takes it to another level. Not only does it show you the connection mode and volume, but it also displays the battery percentage. Yes, you heard that right, the battery percentage. So you'll always know when it's time to plug in and charge. No more sudden disconnects, no more mid-game or mid-email surprises. That's what I call a smart feature. When it comes to modes, this is a triple threat. It offers a USB-C wired connection for those fast-paced gaming sessions, a 2.4G wireless connection for fewer cables on your desk, and Bluetooth 5.1 support for on-the-go usage. The cherry on the top, you can connect it to up to 3 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth. So whether you are in the Windows or Mac ecosystem, this keyboard doesn't discriminate. Now let's talk about customization. This keyboard comes with Hot-Swappable switches, allowing you to tailor the keyboard to your preferred typing feel. And since it's Hot-Swappable, you can change the switches to suit your personal taste without any soldering required. And of course, what's a gaming keyboard without some RGB action? This keyboard supports 18 RGB backlight modes and even 8 monochrome and 1 full color backlight modes. Among all these RGB modes, number 11 is my favorite one. In this mode, when I press a key, only the area around the key lights up. So cool. So is this just another mechanical keyboard? Absolutely not. It's a versatile, customizable, and smart device that can adapt to whatever digital world you inhabit. Whatever your needs are from your peripherals, this keyboard has something for everyone. Ready to switch to a smarter keyboard? It might be the time to hit that add to cart button. Okay, bye.